And you know what else is a crisis?
Identities?
Identity crisis, our next game! This game is for Moira, Nico, and Laura. The game is very simple. They'll all do a scene together. And with a ring, with a ding of one bell, they have to switch places. Ooh. So with that, we'd like to ask our audience one question. Ooh. Who was the weirdest person you saw in a hotel?
Donald Trump.
Ooh.
I'm curious. I've never known. Elaborate.
I watch Home Alone too.
Ah. What was Donald Trump doing in the hotel?
He was making pizza.
All right, this is Identity Crisis with Making Pizza.
Fine.